Hi friends, welcome to Rasoi Eliza's Kitchen, Real Home, Real Cooking. Today friends, I'm going to show how to make a hot chocolate drink. So here I have taken a heavy bottom pan. Okay. Now to this I will be adding milk. As you can see, I'm adding 1 cup of milk. Okay, I've added 1 cup of milk. Now I need to boil this milk. So I'll just switch on the gas on a medium flame and let it boil. As you can see, friends, the milk has started boiling. Friends, here I have taken 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. This is unsweetened cocoa powder. And this is 1 teaspoon of corn flour. Okay, now we will add 2 to 3 tablespoon of milk and make a paste out of this. So guys, I have added milk. Now we'll just mix it like this. Lump-free paste you have to make. There should be no lumps. Mix it nicely. And this mixture we will be pouring in this hot milk. And with the help of a spoon, I'll just mix it nicely, and we have to boil till this milk thickens. Okay, so we have to make little thicker side. This is the Italian version of hot chocolate. As you can see friends, now it is thick. Okay, now to this I will be adding 1 teaspoon of mixture of dark and milk chocolate. Okay, we'll melt this also. I have not added any sugar. If you want, you can add. So our Italian hot chocolate is ready. Quite thick, yummy. Okay friends, now I will be pouring a hot chocolate into this cup. Now I'll garnish this with some more chocolates. And see, our hot chocolate Italian style is ready.